Video muna, video.
Ay, video ba yan?
Video, ayan.
Hi, welcome to
Manilagang
Filipino
baba.
Outreach.
Oo, ayan.
June Outreach. Outreach.
June 8, Filipino Outreach. Yan guys, Manilagang baka dito. Oh,
Yeah.
looks good.
Oh gosh. I hope that will not be posted.
May spaghetti, same spaghetti,
Naka-ID,
may
sinidikit niya.
may rice, maraming
behind you.
Filipino food guys. Super sarap. Super sarap. Hello guys, good morning. Happy Saturday morning. Andito tayo ngayon sa Balboa Park. Meron what do you call this? Picnic fellowship from Grace Community Church people. So we are here today. They're setting up the food right now. We came early, so we're just gonna walk around here in the park. And it's cloudy. There's no sun. Yeah, so we're gonna see the lots of birds in here, or geese or something, or ducks. Ayan guys, pakita ko sa inyo ang park. Napakalaking park dito guys, sa Balboa. Ayan guys. There it goes. There's a lot of birds here. Is that the geese? Geese, right? Yeah, there's a lot of geese in here guys. They're everywhere. Lots of people here doing picnic because it's weekend, it's Saturday, and lots of geese. And there's the lake here, and more ducks. There's a lot of ducks here, and there's the lake. There's a duck boating here. There's a lot of people. Look at that, birds are flying all over. Yeah guys, there's a duck boating over there. You can rent those and you can just ride on the water like those people doing. Yeah, it's fun. So our friends here are setting up their food, and it's gonna be a lot of people coming today for the fellowship, singing and sharing the gospel to those who doesn't know the Lord, the unbelievers. So these people here are Christians. We are Christians. There's a big duck over there. There's a waterfalls? Alright guys, let's go get closer to the ducks. I mean to the geese.
Babies.
There's the baby ducks.
Those are mallards. Those are the baby
Canadian
Canadian geese.
geese? Those are the Canadian geese. Oh, the babies are crying. Oh, there's a woman. Look at the geese. Hey, don't chase around on me. Oh no.
Want food. The babies.
There's so many geese in here. Canadian geese, so big. Hey, are you lost, buddy? Are you lost? Where are you going? Huh? There's a baby crying inside the tents. Man, they're everywhere. Look at the geese. Hey, buddy. They're getting closer to me. Wow. There's so many. Look, Izzy. Look, guys. Hi, Kizzy. Smile. Smile. Is it deep water? There's a fish in here. People are fishing. See? They are fishing. Lots of birds. And there's a waterfalls over there. The waterfalls. Hey buddy, are you chasing him? He's chasing us. Yeah, don't feed the ducks because he will not leave you alone. They're chasing you. There you go. Hey. They're eating the grass. So there's people here fishing and they're everywhere. Oh, there's such lanes. They're eating the grass. Hey, buddy. So cute. Ayan guys, may mga snacks sila, ha? There's some cookies here. Oh, pretzels. Some corn. Ayan. Mga Pilipina yan sila dito, guys. Oh, Filipinos. Yan. Some macaroni and cheese. Mamaya guys, marami pa itong pagkain darating. So, magkita tayo mamaya guys, pag marami na yung tao. Ayan, grabe, February. I'm eating corn. There's food, more food, sweet desserts. Oh, look at Biko. So get a corn right here. Ayan, they're setting up the hot food there. It's gonna be in there. Yeah, guys. Beautiful days. More people are coming now. Si Ate Benita gumawa ng salad. Bigyan natin para may sasawan. Sasawan ba yan? Gusto mo mga cilantro? No, that's salad. That looks good, Ate. Oh, yummy. Yeah. Yummy. Ate, anong fruits yan, Ate?
Ha?
Anong fruits? Mango?
Mango.
Ay, mango, guys. May design yung mango.
May ano?
Oh, may bagoong. Ayan, Pilipino. Hello, Te. Kumusta?
Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you too. It's been a while. Ayan, may bagoong. Ang daming Filipino food today. Ayan. Ayan guys, lunchtime. Kainan na. We just finished praying, saying grace, and it's time to eat. Let's go look what they have. Yung mga desserts. Oh, fried chicken. Some bok choy. Oh, pinakbet. Shrimp. Lots of food. Lunchtime. Ayan guys. Not too many people here today. Ayan guys. Let's eat guys. Let's some... Video muna, video.
Ay, video ba yan?
Video, ayan.
Hi,
May
welcome to
nilagang
Filipino
babo.
Outreach.
Oo, ayan.
June. Outreach.
June 8, Filipino Outreach. Yan guys, may nilagang baka dito.
Yeah.
Oh, looks good.
Oh gosh. I hope that will not be posted.
May spaghetti, sili spaghetti,
Nakain
may
din,
lechon kawali, may rice, maraming Filipino food guys. Super sarap. Super sarap. This is a Filipino Outreach. Grace Community Church people. Our brother and sister in Christ. Ayan guys. So let's eat lunch guys. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Ayan guys, kain na kami guys. Sarap ng pagkain. Super delicious meal. Ayan. Everybody's enjoying their lunch. And then later we're gonna see. Alright guys, so we just finished eating lunch. I'm so full. Lots of food, lots of sweets, Filipino food here in our Bible Outreach, Filipino Outreach Ministry here in Balboa. Ayan guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you guys around.